Hello everyone! For today's video, how to activate Maribank Physical Debit Card. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to at gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na kagaya nito, hit like and subscribe button. Sa last video ko guys ay nag-apply tayo ng debit card for virtual and physical card. And successful naman po na nakapag-order tayo ng physical or ATM card. Okay, so ito na po yung aking physical card ay dumating na po. At dahil ang address ko guys ay nasa South Luzon, so naghintay lang ako ng 5 business days at dumating naman agad sa akin yung aking order na physical card. Okay, so bago naman to natin magamit, kailangan muna natin ito i-activate. Kung paano naman natin i-activate itong debit or physical card. First is open the Maribank application and log in to your account. Okay, then tap the cards tab. I-select mo tong activate physical card. Then, enter the required card details at ang iyong PIN. Okay, may dalawang pamimilian, scan QR code or enter code manually. Okay, so piliin ko tong enter code manually. Itong activation code pala guys ay makikita natin dito sa mailer kung saan nakadikit ang ating Maribank physical card. Kapag nailagay mo na yung 11-digit number or activation code, ay itap mo na tong next. Then, ilagay mo ang iyong password. And now, card activation successful. At makakatanggap ka ng notification that your physical card has been activated. At pwede na natin magamit to kagaya ng pag-purchase sa mga stores na tumatanggap ng Mastercard at cash withdrawals from ATMs. At kung gusto mo naman baguhin ang iyong physical card PIN, pumunta ka lang dito sa debit card, then itap mo tong settings, pindutin ang update card PIN, at kung gusto mong gamitin ang iyong 6-digit secure PIN as card PIN, i-turn on mo lang yan, but if kung gusto mo naman palitan, ay itap mo lang tong change card PIN, at pwede ka nang mag-set up ng iyong ibang card PIN. But for me, ay gusto kong gamitin ang aking 6-digit secure PIN as my card PIN. And if you want to get your card fee back or maibalik yung naibayad mo na 99 pesos sa physical card within 30 days from your date of activation, kailangan mo lang na gamitin pambayad ang iyong physical card 5 times to any merchant kagaya ng mga stores na tumatanggap ng Mastercard. At ang iyong reward ay matatanggap mo within 5 banking days. At ganun lang po kadali mag-activate ng physical debit card. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Okay, thank you for watching.